How to buy and sell Bitcoin on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to buy and sell Bitcoin on Cash App. First, launch the Cash App mobile application. This is the homepage of the app. From there, tap on the bank icon that appears here at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will land on the Money section of Cash App just like you can see here. On this page, various options are related to money. Scroll down through them a little bit and tap this option named Bitcoin. After that, this page will appear, where you will see charts that show you the current trends and price of Bitcoin. Also, on this page is a section that has some important options, just like you can see here. From the options in the section, tap this one here named Buy. I will show you how you can buy Bitcoin, after which I will show you how to sell it. Okay, let us proceed. After that, this other menu will appear. It has several predefined amounts of money. You can choose them if you see the amount you need. You can also enter your own custom amount by tapping on these three dots here. After that, go ahead and enter the amount here. Next, tap here. This page will then appear, asking you to confirm your Bitcoin purchase. So go ahead and do that. Finally, tap here to confirm, and the transaction will be finalized. We have bought Bitcoin. Let me now show you how to sell Bitcoin. Come back to the previous page where you saw the Bitcoin chats. Once again, go to the section that had three options. From them, tap the one named Sell. Once more, this menu appears where you have to choose the amount you would like to sell, so go ahead and do that. After that, another page will appear where you have to check the details before you confirm the transaction. So go ahead and do that. If everything is correct, then proceed and tap here, and just like that, you would have sold the Bitcoin. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to buy and sell Bitcoin on Cash App.